Okay guys, CursiveRick here back again, and I am playing Ratchet and Clank. Now I haven't played this game in a while, and this is one of my favorite games from my childhood. So I decided before the new one comes out in a couple months to, refresh myself in the series. So my goal is to play through most of the Ratchet and Clank series between the older games, Ratchet and Clank, Going Commando, and Up Your Arse Now, and then go to the future games, and hopefully I can get through all the games before the new Ratchet and Clank coming out in the spring, I believe. So hopefully I get through all the games. If I don't, whenever that new game's coming out, I will record it then and upload it when it comes out, so I have everything on the time I want. But yeah, so that's my plan. Hopefully it happens, but currently my goal for this game alone is to play through most of it with only beating people's asses with my wrench. So let's see how that goes. God, I miss this game. Mind you, it looks crappy as hell, even though it's on the new PS3 remastered version. Still looks like shit. Oh, what an adorable robot. Somehow Ratchet sees the robot from 18 miles away, I swear. What the hell?
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The help desk
money.
is a service provided by the Gadgetron Corporation.
Money. Okay, so if I know correctly or remember correctly how this game works, when it comes down to my goal with melee only, I think I should be able to get to the point where they are laying mines on the field as traps, because you can't destroy those any other way than shooting them. And that's in Quark's base, if I remember correctly. So, and if this is the first time you're ever seeing Ratchet and Clank, it's a really big series, and I don't know what hole you were living under. So, yeah.
You can interrupt help desk messages.
I don't give a shit. Thank you for teaching me to stop giving shits more. Ugh.
Gadgetron's
I don't give a shit. All the enemies are so generic in this game, though. Like, they're so easy to defend and block against because they all have a certain set pattern,
that's
and it's so easy to get by, like get through. Unlike the later games where everything you do, there might be like 8 other guys raping you in the anus. So I enjoy the simplicity. I'm just gonna end my life now. No, but I enjoy the simplicity of this game. Fucking, I literally just jumped off the edge, though. That honestly just happened. I tripped over my fucking tail, fell down a cliff. Like, how the fuck is this Lombax not already dead? If he can do stuff like that. Like, oh, fucking off the edge, tripped over my shit. Oh well. Like, honestly, by this point you would think he would be dead as hell. Okay, this time watch out for my giant fucking tail and not die. Ugh. I probably saw money fall off the edge, and the money whore like I am, I just fucking Jewed it, ran off the edge for the money. The first level, one hit kill everything. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, guys. Don't do this. There we go. Hey, guys. Oh, buddies. Don't run from me. I need that money. Hi, Clank. He's like, oh, this is cool. Is anyone watching me steal this on a planet where I live by myself? Mind you, he lives on his own, like, there's no one in thousands of kilometers of land. But he built all that shit floating around the fucking planet. At least I'm assuming he is, considering that planet seems like no one is living there. And then, you know, he's getting posters somehow from somewheres, but he never thought to ask the guy delivering his fucking posters, hey man, can you take me off this shit fucking crap island? Like, this shit sucks.
Overpopulated and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. Cut! And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
This game was rated T back when it first came out. Now it's only 10 plus, E 10 plus.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your shift to
Cartoon violence is now, well, childish and insinuating curse words. 10-year-olds could listen to that, no big deal.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
Okay, note, he doesn't even know that those ships landing is a bad thing yet. He's just like, okay, let's go. I'm not even gonna question who the fuck just landed on my property.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
He didn't even let him finish what his name was. He was like, "Fuck you!
So
I
you
don't
see,
fucking
it would
care
be
about your
most
name."
beneficial if your citizens were not in
I'm just gonna
when my workers begin removing it.
clock you one, and there you go. There's your name.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
A diplomat making physical threats. Not a surprise if you live in, you know, North Korea or something like that. It's like, oh, physical threats. Got it.
Where are you?
Okay, are you gonna kill my family too?
Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we
Really?
could procure a ship from
I
one
would
of
have
the
never
inhabitants.
guessed.
If there are any left.
Wow, perfect timing. Mind you, I question how any other person got up there, but, you know. Whatever, right? Ow, fucker. Okay, I didn't see that guy when I first went around the corner, but he was an asshole. Also, something nice to like note with this game is the bolts. Yes, they're like different sizes and stuff, but depending on what planet you are on, there might be some rusted ones because it's like, oh, this is an older planet, so here's some shit-looking rust ones. Here's some good ones. Like, they actually change what. Like, each planet has a different set of ones they give you. I need money. I know it's away from the story, but money for the whole bunch of nothing I won't buy. I'm just gonna save up for like the best weapon ever. And by best weapon, I mean like most expensive, that's actually complete shit. Because for some reason games like to do that, where they're like, hey, here's a really expensive weapon that like you can use once and it kills everything, but past that, it's a shit weapon. You'll never use it again.
And blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
$500 is a lot of bolts to hit this guy. He's like, I only need $500 to do this. Mind you, he's a plumber. What would count as a specialty? So he would technically get hundreds of dollars for like going in, welding or fixing one thing, and then going, there you go, $300.
That was close.
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
But we've been hit.
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long.
Kid, let's M-screen.
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron infobots give you
I don't care. I don't care. Stop letting me know stuff. I want to be oblivious to everything I do in this game. Like that's physically possible after like the 18th time I've played this, but not the point. Ugh. Oh, this system. Yes, I love not being able to fucking breathe. Note, I can hold my breath a lot longer than this Lombax shit fuck. And it's kind of depressing because he dies so much quicker. And now that sidebar is going to be constantly there. The one with like the freaking water bubbles. Because I went in water, so now that's going to stay there. Forever until I'm off this planet and whatnot, but that thing stays there damn near constantly. Okay, dead. Everything's so fragile in this. Oh, look, it's back, and it won't ever go away. Because when they remade this game, the designers sucked a lot of cock and probably smoked a lot of crack and forgot to do that. But that's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's just such a great game, so I'm fine with it. Okay, so this is one of the only times I support using weapons, but money. I'm a fucking money whore, so I'm gonna use a weapon just so I can be a whore. Money. Oh yeah. So good. Oh yeah. Later on in future games, they made that automatic at one point. Like, you just had to hold it in one direction. And I remember the first game that had that. And I was playing it. And then midway through, it stopped letting me, like, spin the bolt just by holding one direction. And then past that point, like, it glitched and broke and never let me do it again. On any console or anything. Like, it was just like, nope, fuck off, you're not doing what you want to. You're not gonna spin this, it's just gonna stay there. So, have fun. Oh, I'm not used to the controls. I think there's like 3 gold bolts on this planet, honestly. There's the one I just got, and then there's one where you need a jetpack for, and then there's one where you have to beat the current upriver, and that's impossible for a little while, so I'm probably just not gonna get it because I'm lazy. and I've already platinumed this game. So, you know, fuck that shit, I'm lazy. Fuck you. Fuck you. Give me your money, bitch. Okay, no. These are robots. I would think they would have a lot more bolts in them. Just like you break one robot, you get like 89,000 bolts. Yeah, some of them are like bigger than your body, but that's okay. It's fine. Can I break that? I forgot. Nope. Oh, I'm such a fucking Jew. Oh, I love that money. Okay, I like to point out the sheer timing of this. So, like, I'm gonna go across this bridge. Okay, well, now there's holes in the bridge. Also, I don't know how well this bridge would actually stay up. Like, I wonder if they tested that. Like, okay, let's make a mini bridge. Let's put some mini explosives on them, and let's see what happens. And then it's like, oh, cool, it actually stayed up. But no, in reality, this bridge would be down. And I would not be able to get across. So, oh, but fuck you.